Good afternoon and welcome to 198 Bear Creek Circle in South Fork, Colorado. We are here on a vacant lot that is 16.91 acres just inside the Bear Creek Gate. And you can't quite see it from here, but the Bear Creek Gate is right there. There is one lot that is mostly outside of the Bear Creek subdivision right there. And this is the first lot on your right as you come in. The paved road is right here, and today is April 7th, and you can see that we've got some green grass already. It has been kind of a dry winter, so we didn't have a lot of snow, but we've got green grass, and this is a really big lot. It goes from this paved road and touches this paved road just up in front of that house there, and then goes up quite a ways to right around in here, almost where the little horizon is right there. Not the mountains in the back, but the little grass horizon. So it's flat, has great well drilling potential. So you may have heard that it is hard to drill a well in Bear Creek. And that's going to be these lots up here along the bluff. They're sitting on a granite outcropping that does make it really hard to find water. But here where we're at right now, there is, the houses along this draw here in the lowlands actually have great wells, 15 to 20 gallons a minute. There's actually one up there near the back that is artesian. They cannot keep it capped. It produces more water than is, that they can keep in the well. It's great water. So anyway, this is a nice flat buildable lot. It's priced well. All of the details and price, and there's a drone video and everything in the comments section, so take a look at that. If you have any questions or if you'd like to see it in person, give me a call. The gate is locked, so you do need an agent with you. So give me a call. I will be happy to show you through it. It's a beautiful, sunny, southern Colorado day. It's April 6th. It's about 60 degrees. We've got a light breeze. Southern Colorado is a great place to build your mountain cabin, and Bear Creek is a gated community. The covenants are available in my blog post, so you can take a look at what the building requirements are. If you have any questions, give me a call. My name is Dee, and have a great day. Thanks.